What's going on, everybody? Chaz with Homegrown How To. In this video, we're going to be installing these Lumary RBG AI outdoor permanent lights. These things are pretty sweet. Let's get into it. So we're going to be installing these permanent lights just underneath the perimeter of the covered patio here. These will give a great accent to the hot tub and the fire pit that we've got underneath. So doing a little unboxing here, busting right in the box, you've got everything you need. You've got a power cord here that also includes the master control. The lights also do come with a wireless battery-powered remote. And here you've got your 3 strands of light for the 65-footer. Each little puck light is spaced out 15 inches from on center and has a very bright LED light within inside of the puck. And on the back, for easy installation, you have a nice 3M adhesive. Just check out this beautiful sunset. We're starting to lose some daylight, so let's get going putting these things up. Like I stated, each light does have its own 3M adhesive on the back of it. So installing these is as simple as a peel and stick method. What we did is we had a washcloth and washed off the soffit in every location where the light was going. Now when installing these lights, Lumary does recommend you install these about 5 centimeters away from the vertical wall. 5 centimeters equates to a little bit over 1.75 inches. Doing this just allows the light to shine up on the vertical wall a lot better. Another little quick tip is to make sure your cords are not twisted when installing these. This just makes for a much cleaner look. Now the package does also include some wire clips. We installed one wire clip between each light just to make for a cleaner look. These wire clips also do have the simple 3M adhesive on the back of those. Now the installation process on these, I give an A+. They were super easy to do. It probably took us about 20 to 30 minutes to install the whole strand. Now while these lights are freaking awesome, there is one issue I have with these. The lights, there's 39 lights. They state 65 feet of lights. Rather than being 65 feet of lights, they count the wire that is included for the power adapter. So I think there was only about 48 feet of lights was what we calculated. So if there was 65 feet of lights, this would have made for a perfect amount of lights for this patio. So coming from our outlet here, running the wire up, we just went ahead and installed these lights to the left, and it does recommend you install these to the left. You can see we eventually come to a halt. That is because there's only about 48 feet of lights. So I'm going to see if I can get another strand for these, get these things installed so that I can finish the look on these. So just make sure you account for that little bit of information when installing these. You've got 48 feet of light on the 65-foot strand of lights. They also have a 118-foot strand of lights, which I'm sure also comes up short as well. But now let's go ahead and check out the functionality of these things. As you can see, we've got these set up on the warm white right now, and I really like the way these things look. They give a nice little accent to the wall behind us and kind of along this whole inside area. I really like that. It's really cool. What we're going to end up doing with this power cord is we're going to get some channeling here and attach it to the wall just to hide that wire. There is a little button here that you can press, and you can change the light function. I'll go ahead and press that a few more times, and you can see you change colors with that just by pressing this little button here, which is pretty cool. You've got a runner coming in, which is awesome. You can get different color of lights, kind of changing colors, which is really awesome. Currently, the remote is not working for me, which is kind of odd. You can see it's getting power, so it's not an issue of like putting batteries in wrong or anything. I never really anticipated using the remote anyways. I like the app functionality of these Lumary lights. I have multiple sets of different Lumary lights, and the app function is really easy to use and really great. Here's the chase function. Again, that's just going to kind of chase itself with the lights. It's pretty cool. This one says RBG AI. This one just kind of changes a bunch of different colors. I like that one. Flashes on and off. Here's a breathe function. Ooh, I really like that one. It's got some really cool tones to it. I like that a lot. This is the blink function. So it changes colors and just blinks, so that's pretty sweet. Here's the jump. I can't remember if I did the jump. Here's a gradient. I like that one a lot. That one's pretty cool. So one other thing when controlling these lights through the app, if you want to control each light individually, you're actually controlling 3 lights to 1 light on the app. So if I wanted to change this top light here to a pink, there's a pink there. So those first 3 lights are pink, and then the next 3, let's set the next 3, let's set the next 3 to green, the next 3 to blue, the next 3 to red, so that you can see we got the 3 purple, the 3 green, the 3 blue, and the 3 red in accordance to the app. So just be aware of that as well. It took me a minute to figure that out. I had to read some instructions. Who reads instructions anyways? But got that figured out, so I was able to control these a lot easier through that. And you can control up to 48 lights, so 48 times 3 is you're going to get that many lights that you can control. So I should be able to add on another strand of lights over here in this blank spot to fill that void. And here, using the custom function within the app, we set up some Christmas lights with the red, white, and green. I love that these lights can be customizable. Guys, thanks for watching Homegrown How To. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one.